Welcome to Nicholas Trading Strategy. Today I am going to share you with intraday trading tips for crude oil trading. As you know, crude oil is an international trading commodity, so any international news about crude oil directly affect its price. So we should update about crude oil latest news. Visit investing.com. News section. Click Commodities. Just refresh this page every 15 minutes, so you will get latest news about crude oil. If any positive news for crude oil, don't try to sell, vice versa. If any negative news for crude, don't try to buy also. Before enter into crude oil trade, visit this page and check for latest news about crude oil. Next one is crude oil inventory. Most of the people don't know about crude oil inventory. Every Wednesday crude oil inventory data published. If you want to check the date and time of inventory data, visit forexfactory.com. There you can see crude oil inventory result for every Wednesday. Check the crude oil inventory publishing time also. Now it comes 9 o'clock Indian time. Visit this website every Wednesday and check the publishing time. Crude is high volatile at that time, so just be careful at that time. Technical analysis. International crude oil price movement and MCX crude oil price movement almost same, so if you want to check technical level for crude, just visit investing.com. Commodities section. Click crude oil T. There you can see technical analysis. Just click there and scroll down. You will get all technical information about crude oil and its current trend also. No need to know about technical. In summary section you can easily find out if crude is buy or sell trend. You can check 1 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hour, daily, weekly and monthly trend also. If you are a beginner in crude oil trading, hope this video help you. If you want crude oil daily calls, just send a mail to nicholasnello2017@gmail.com. or WhatsApp me, 918848943849. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another simple trading strategy. Have a nice day. Bye.